Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial to every content creator out there: how to create content faster and more effectively. And that's why I want to introduce you to Mysocial Spark AI.
It can help you streamline your content creation process, from generating content ideas to creating compelling captions and drafting detailed scripts.
It's like having a personal content assistant in your pocket. Let's break down how it works, starting with how the UI is built. Right off the bat, you'll find suggested templates that you can use to get started. At the top, you'll find the categories section, which can provide you with specific templates for each specific social media channel. For example, YouTube, you'll find YouTube templates that is specific for creating YouTube content. Or Instagram, you'll find more Instagram related templates. Let's do a live demo and create a short Instagram caption with the help of Spark AI. So we'll click on short caption. The first thing it will ask us is, what is the topic of the caption? And in this case, it's going to be step-by-step guide on how to create content faster with AI. And we'll click on generate. Immediately, it will start generating an Instagram caption following an educational style. You can easily change the style and tone of the caption to get more of what you want. For example, I want a more funny caption, so I'll click on the hilarious style, and it will try to give me a caption that is more funny. For example, when you try to create content faster and AI is your new best friend: step 1, turn on AI. Step 2, sit back. Step 3, watch Netflix. Step 4, post content. Step 5, repeat. Hashtag artificial intelligence. Hashtag lazy Sunday. You have probably already realized this, but you can copy the caption that was generated. You can also click on the shuffle button down below to get another one in that specific style, and you can also save this caption for later. If you go over to the top right corner, you'll see that there is an English button. If you click on that, you'll get a lot of different languages that you can change the output to. For example, you can click on Spanish and click on generate. Now what it will do, it will actually take the topic, take the style, and write it in Spanish. You can do the same for Arabic, French, German, Spanish. It's up to you. One of the cool hidden features that you'll realize exist after using the app for a while is that when you write a topic, it will give you more suggestions related to that specific topic. So for example, when I wrote step-by-step guide on how to create content faster with AI, it came up with different suggestions like mastering content creation with AI, accelerate your content creation process with AI. Over time, it will act as a quick way for you to brainstorm new topics, but also a way for you to get started with a template really fast when you don't know what the topic should be about. Let me show you the power of some of the other templates that exist in Spark AI. Let's head over to the TikTok category and click on TikTok idea. And we'll use the topic, why should you use short form video in your marketing strategy? Okay, now it pre-selected the hilarious tone, but I want it to be more educational actually. It starts by providing you with the title of the video, the main concept or idea of the video, a hook so you can grab the attention of the audience, and also my favorite thing, which is a complete outline of what should be included in the video. It just gives you a high level outline that I think will help you get started much faster. I just want to show you where all of your saved Spark ends up. It's in the top right corner where you'll see a saved icon. There is all of your saved Sparks that has been generated. So let me give you some practical tips to using Mysocial Spark AI. Remember, while AI is very powerful, it's not made to replace human creativity. It should spark the idea, which is the reason why we call it Spark. It should help you get your creative juices flowing, but it shouldn't really be a copy-paste procedure. Some common mistakes we've seen is that people are being very vague when they describe their topics. This will immediately lead to you not getting exactly what you want. If you want something more specific, tell the AI. It understands you. It's your friend. It's actually your best friend.